Okay, Leo, I have a question for you. What's the smallest word in English that causes the biggest problems?
Small word, biggest problems. Is it the? Because I know my Chinese friends always forget the.
Good guess, but no. I'm talking about a four-letter word. Starts with J.
J, just, no way. Just is easy. I learned just in my first month of English class.
That's exactly what I thought you'd say. And that's exactly the problem. Just looks simple, but it has four completely different meanings, and most learners only know one of them.
Four meanings for one tiny word? Come on, Maya.
I'm serious, and today, by the end of this episode, you're going to understand all four. Plus, Leo is going to make a mistake that 90% of learners make, and we're going to fix it together.
Wait, I'm gonna make a mistake? On purpose?
You're going to make it naturally. That's the best way to learn. Ready?
Let's do it.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya, your English coach.
And I'm Leo. If you've ever felt like your English sounds too textbook or too stiff, you're in the right place. Maya helps me sound more natural every single episode.
And today we're talking about a word that you use probably 10 times a day without even thinking. Just. Now, Leo, what's the first meaning that comes to your mind?
Time. Like I just arrived. That means I arrived very recently, right?
Perfect. That's meaning number one, just for recent time. So if your friend calls you and says, "Where are you?" you can say,
I just got here.
"Exactly." Or, "I just finished work. I just ate lunch." Now, listen to this sentence. "I just saw him yesterday." What does just mean there?
Also time, but yesterday is not recent. That's confusing.
Bingo. That's the first trap. Many Spanish speakers especially use just this way because in Spanish, justice means exactly, so they translate directly. "I just saw him yesterday" sounds like "I saw him exactly yesterday," but in English, just with a specific time like yesterday sounds strange. Natives usually say "I saw him just yesterday," putting just after the verb, or better, we say "I saw him only yesterday."
So the position changes the meaning.
Yes, position matters a lot with just. So rule 1, just before the verb means very recent time. I just ate. She just left. We just started. But if you're talking about a specific time in the past, use only or put just after the verb.
Got it. So I just saw him yesterday. That's not great English.
Correct. Now let's move to meaning number 2. Leo, what does just mean in this sentence? I just need a minute.
Time again? Like I need a minute recently?
No, that's just meaning only or simply. I just need a minute means I only need a minute. It's just a small problem means it's only a small problem.
Oh, so that's different from time.
Completely different. And this is where Leo is going to make his mistake. Ready?
I'm ready. Hit me.
Okay, imagine we're at a restaurant. The waiter comes to our table and asks, "Can I get you anything else?" What do you say?
I just want water.
There it is. The classic mistake.
Wait, what? I just want water's wrong?
It's not grammatically wrong, but it sounds a little direct, a little strong. When you say "I just want water," it can sound like you're annoyed or impatient. Like, "I just want water. Why are you asking me so many questions?"
Oh no, I say this all the time.
That's why you're here. So what should you say instead?
I only want water?
Better, but still a bit direct. The best option is "just water, please." Short, simple, natural, or "I'll just have water, thanks."
Just water, please. I like that. So just can make things softer or stronger depending on how you use it.
Exactly. Now let's go to meaning number 3. This one will change how you make requests forever. Leo, you're at a coffee shop. You want to ask the barista a question. What do you say?
I have a question.
That works, but it's a bit formal. Here's what a native speaker would say. "I was just wondering."
I was just wondering. What does just mean there?
It softens the request. It makes you sound polite and casual. "I was just wondering if you have oat milk." "I was just wondering what time you close."
So it's like, I'm not demanding an answer, I'm just asking casually.
Perfect. That's exactly the feeling. And this is huge for Arabic speakers and Chinese speakers especially, because in many cultures, direct questions can feel rude, just as your polite shield.
Just is your polite shield. I'm gonna remember that.
Let me give you another example. You're in a meeting. You want to ask your boss a question. Do you say, I have a question?
No, I say I was just wondering if I could ask something.
Exactly. Or I just wanted to check. I just wanted to confirm. These phrases make you sound professional and polite, not pushy.
Can I practice one? Okay, I'm at a store. I want to know the price of something. I was just wondering how much this costs.
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker right there.
Wow, I've been saying how much is this my whole life, which is fine, but now I have a better option.
And that's what this show is about, giving you options. Now, meaning number 4. This one is fun just for emphasis.
Emphasis, like making something stronger?
Yes, that's just perfect. This is just amazing. You just have to try this cake.
Ah, so just can mean really or absolutely.
Exactly. That's just what I needed. That's just ridiculous. I just can't believe it.
Okay, so let me recap. Meaning 1, recent time, I just ate. Meaning 2, only or simply, just water please. Meaning 3, soften requests, I was just wondering. Meaning 4, emphasis, that's just perfect.
You got it. And now, here's the part that surprises most people. Just has one more hidden meaning, but it's controversial.
Controversial for a 4-letter word?
Yes, listen to the sentence. I just don't understand why you said that.
That's emphasis, right? Meaning 4.
It could be, but it could also be a defensive or distancing just. When someone says, I just don't understand, they might be saying, I don't want to take responsibility for not understanding.
Whoa, so just can be emotional?
Absolutely. And this is why advanced learners need to pay attention. Using just too much can make you sound weak or unsure. Like, I just think maybe we should try something different. That's a lot of just, and it sounds like you don't believe in your own idea.
So sometimes just is bad?
In professional writing, yes. Many business coaches tell people to remove just from emails because it weakens your message. I just wanted to follow up becomes I wanted to follow up. Stronger, more confident.
This is so interesting. So just can make you sound polite or weak depending on the situation.
That's the whole story. It's a tiny word with huge power. And now I want to do a quick practice round. I'm going to give you a situation, and you tell me which meaning of just to use. Ready?
Ready.
Situation 1. Your friend asks, have you eaten? You ate 10 minutes ago. What do you say?
I just ate. Meaning 1, recent time.
Perfect. Situation 2. You're at a hotel front desk. You want to ask about checkout time without sounding demanding.
I was just wondering what time checkout is. Meaning 3, soften.
Beautiful. Situation 3. Your coworker shows you a new design and it's amazing.
This is just incredible. Meaning 4, emphasis.
You're on fire. Last one. The waiter asks if you want dessert, you want only coffee.
Just coffee, please. Meaning 2, only.
Perfect score. Now, before we go, I want you to practice at home. Listen to how native speakers use just in movies, TV shows, and conversations. You'll start noticing all 4 meanings everywhere.
I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna stop saying I just want all the time. Listen more. I love that. For today's challenge, try using I was just wondering at least once today. In a coffee shop, in a meeting, with a friend. It will change how people respond to you.
And if you want to go deeper, check out the pinned comment. I put a practice question there for you.
Thanks for joining us on Speak Like a Native. I'm Leo.
And I'm Maya. Remember, real English for real life. We'll see you in the next episode.